Are you, or someone you care about, struggling with the discomfort and frequent bathroom trips caused by an enlarged prostate? It's a common issue, affecting millions of men, and frankly, it can be a real pain. But what if I told you that the solution could start with what you eat for breakfast? Yes, that's right. Your morning meal could be a powerful tool in managing this condition. Studies show that specific nutrients can play a significant role in reducing inflammation and improving prostate health. In this video, we're diving into the top 7 foods you should be including in your breakfast to help shrink an enlarged prostate and reclaim your comfort and confidence. Now, before we get into these powerful foods, I want to be clear. This is not a substitute for medical advice. If you have any concerns, please consult with your doctor. However, the breakfast options we'll discuss today are backed by scientific research and can be a fantastic addition to your healthy lifestyle. We'll break down each food, explain why it's beneficial, and show you how to incorporate them into your morning routine. We'll also touch on some common mistakes people make and how to avoid them. Imagine starting your day with a meal that not only tastes good but also actively supports your prostate health. This isn't about restrictive diets, it's about making informed choices that can significantly improve your quality of life. It's time to take control of your health, starting with your plate. I'll also be dropping some surprising facts and stats to keep you engaged and motivated. So, if you're ready to learn how to transform your breakfast into a prostate-shrinking powerhouse, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find this information helpful, share this video with anyone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more health tips. Let me know in the comments what your favorite breakfast is, and if you're already trying to incorporate any of these foods. Let's get started. Let's start with a breakfast staple: oatmeal. It might seem simple, but it's a powerhouse for prostate health, especially when dealing with an enlarged prostate. The science behind it? Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, which plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate gland. When inflammation is reduced, it can alleviate the symptoms of BPH, such as frequent urination and discomfort. In fact, studies have shown that a diet high in fiber can correlate with a lower risk of prostate issues and reduce the severity of prostate symptoms. But it's not just about the fiber. Oatmeal also has a low glycemic index, meaning it releases glucose slowly into the bloodstream. This is important because spikes in blood sugar can contribute to inflammation and exacerbate prostate problems. By choosing oatmeal over sugary cereals or pastries, you're making a choice that stabilizes your blood sugar and supports overall prostate health. Instead of using sugary toppings, consider adding some natural options like berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon to keep things healthy and delicious. Think about it. The bowl of warm, comforting oatmeal in the morning isn't just a tasty way to start your day, it's a proactive step towards a healthier prostate. It's about making conscious decisions that can have a profound impact on your well-being. It's not about complicated meal plans, but rather about incorporating simple yet powerful foods into your daily routine. So, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to support your prostate, oatmeal is a fantastic place to start. Now, let's be clear, eating a bowl of oatmeal once isn't going to magically shrink an enlarged prostate overnight. It's about consistent, healthy eating habits. But when you make choices like oatmeal a regular part of your breakfast, you're setting a solid foundation for long-term prostate health. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to show your prostate some love. Next up, we have the creamy and delicious avocado. You might know it as a good source of healthy fats, but did you know it's also beneficial for your prostate? Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a major culprit in BPH, and by reducing it, you can alleviate many of the uncomfortable symptoms. These healthy fats also support hormone balance, which is crucial for maintaining prostate health. Studies suggest that these fats can help regulate hormone levels that can contribute to prostate enlargement. Beyond the fats, avocados are also a good source of beta-sitosterol, a plant sterol that has been shown to help improve urinary symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. This compound can assist in reducing the size of the prostate and improving urinary flow. Furthermore, avocados are packed with antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress, another factor that can contribute to prostate issues. Think of the avocado as a multifaceted tool that tackles various aspects of prostate health. Now, how can you incorporate this into your breakfast? Forget the toast. Think of mashing some avocado on a whole wheat English muffin, topping it with a sprinkle of sea salt and a dash of red pepper flakes. Or you can add avocado slices to a breakfast salad. Not only does it add a creamy texture, but it also boosts the nutritional value of your meal. It's a surprisingly versatile ingredient that can easily become a morning staple. It's a simple change that can yield significant benefits. The beauty of avocados is that they're not just good for your prostate, they're great for your overall health. They're high in potassium, fiber, and other essential nutrients. It's a win-win situation. So, by incorporating avocados into your breakfast routine, you're doing more than just supporting your prostate. You're investing in your overall health and well-being. Don't underestimate the power of this creamy superfood. Moving on to the vibrant and delicious world of berries. We're talking blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These small but mighty fruits are packed with antioxidants, which are crucial for combating oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are significant factors in prostate enlargement. Specifically, berries are rich in compounds called anthocyanins, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. These antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including those in the prostate. The benefits of berries don't stop at antioxidants. They are also a good source of vitamin C and fiber, which play essential roles in supporting overall health. Vitamin C is a powerful immune booster, helping your body fight off infections, while fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. By reducing inflammation and supporting overall wellness, berries can help alleviate the symptoms of an enlarged prostate and improve urinary health. It's a holistic approach, tackling prostate issues from multiple angles. Now, how can you incorporate berries into your breakfast? The options are endless. You can add a handful of mixed berries to your oatmeal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy them on their own with a dollop of Greek yogurt. The key is to choose fresh or frozen berries without added sugars or syrups. It's a simple, delicious, and colorful way to boost your breakfast and support your prostate health. It's not about complicated recipes. It's about making smart choices that are easy to stick to. Think of berries as your little allies in the fight against prostate issues. They're not just a tasty treat. They're a powerful tool in your health arsenal. These vibrant fruits are a simple, delicious, and effective way to boost your nutrient intake and support your prostate. They also add a burst of flavor and color to your meal, making your breakfast more enjoyable. It's about making choices that are both healthy and satisfying. Moving on to the tiny but mighty flax seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can significantly benefit your prostate health. Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Lignans can help balance hormone levels, particularly estrogen and testosterone, which play a role in the development and progression of BPH. By regulating these hormones, flax seeds can help reduce the size of the prostate and alleviate symptoms. Furthermore, flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory effects and are vital for overall health. They help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the prostate, which can lead to a reduction in symptoms. Omega-3 fatty acids are also essential for heart health, which is a crucial benefit for men over 40, who are at a higher risk for prostate and cardiovascular issues. It's a holistic approach, supporting multiple aspects of well-being. Now, how can you incorporate flax seeds into your breakfast? It's incredibly easy. You can sprinkle ground flax seeds on your oatmeal, add them to your smoothies, or mix them into your yogurt. It's important to use ground flax seeds rather than whole, as your body can't absorb the nutrients from whole seeds very well. A tablespoon or 2 a day is all you need to reap the benefits. It's a simple, versatile, and effective addition to your morning routine. So think of flax seeds as your little secret weapon for prostate health. They are not only easy to incorporate into your breakfast, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits. It's about making small, consistent changes that lead to significant improvements over time. It's a simple and affordable way to show your prostate some love. Don't underestimate the power of these tiny seeds. Next, let's discuss a beverage that offers a multitude of health benefits, including prostate support: green tea. This isn't your regular morning coffee. Green tea is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which have potent anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. One of the most abundant catechins in green tea is epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has been shown to inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells and reduce inflammation in the prostate gland. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can help prevent the progression of BPH and alleviate its symptoms. Beyond EGCG, green tea also provides a gentle caffeine boost, which can improve focus and energy levels without the jitters associated with coffee. This makes it a great alternative for those who are looking for a healthier morning beverage. Furthermore, green tea is packed with other antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. It's a holistic approach, tackling prostate issues from multiple angles. It's also hydrating, which is crucial for overall health. Now, how can you incorporate green tea into your breakfast routine? The easiest way is to replace your morning coffee with a cup of green tea. You can enjoy it hot or iced, and you can add a slice of lemon or a touch of honey for flavor. The key is to choose high-quality green tea and avoid options with added sugars or artificial sweeteners. It's a simple, refreshing, and effective addition to your morning routine. Think of green tea as more than just a beverage. It's a powerful ally in your fight against prostate issues. It's about making conscious choices that can have a profound impact on your well-being. It's a simple and effective way to give your prostate the support it needs. So, make the switch to green tea and enjoy the numerous health benefits it has to offer. It's not about complicated rituals, but rather about incorporating simple yet powerful habits. Next on our list, we have the humble tomato, a fruit that's often mistaken for a vegetable. Tomatoes are packed with a powerful antioxidant called lycopene, which is particularly beneficial for prostate health. Lycopene is a carotenoid that gives tomatoes their red color, and studies have shown that it can help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and slow down the progression of BPH. It works by neutralizing free radicals and reducing inflammation in the prostate gland. Regular consumption of lycopene has been linked to lower rates of prostate issues. Beyond lycopene, tomatoes are also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. These nutrients play key roles in supporting overall health. Vitamin C is essential for immune function, vitamin K supports bone health, and potassium helps regulate blood pressure. By reducing inflammation and supporting overall wellness, tomatoes can help alleviate the symptoms of an enlarged prostate and improve urinary health. It's a holistic approach, tackling prostate issues from multiple angles. Now, how can you incorporate tomatoes into your breakfast? The options are plentiful. You can add slices of fresh tomatoes to your breakfast sandwich, make a tomato omelet, or add them to a breakfast salsa. You can also make a tomato-based sauce for your eggs or toast. The key is to consume tomatoes regularly to reap the maximum benefits. It's not about complicated recipes, it's about making smart choices that are easy to stick to. Think of tomatoes as your red allies in the fight against prostate issues. They're not just a versatile ingredient, they're a powerful tool in your health arsenal. It's about making choices that are both healthy and satisfying. So, add tomatoes to your breakfast and enjoy the numerous health benefits they have to offer. It's a simple and delicious way to support your prostate. Finally, let's talk about walnuts, a crunchy and nutritious nut that can significantly benefit your prostate health. Walnuts are packed with essential nutrients, including omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and plant sterols. The omega-3 fatty acids are particularly important because they have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the inflammation associated with an enlarged prostate. Studies have shown that these fatty acids can help reduce the size of the prostate and alleviate symptoms such as frequent urination. Beyond omega-3s, walnuts are also rich in antioxidants, which protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. They also contain compounds called phytosterols, which have been shown to help reduce the risk of prostate cancer and improve overall prostate health. By combining these beneficial nutrients, walnuts offer a comprehensive approach to supporting prostate function. It's about making smart choices that can significantly improve your well-being. Now, how can you incorporate walnuts into your breakfast? The possibilities are numerous. You can add a handful of walnuts to your oatmeal, sprinkle them on top of your yogurt, or mix them into a breakfast smoothie. You can also chop them up and add them to a breakfast salad. The key is to consume them in moderation, as they are calorie dense. A small handful a day is all you need to reap the benefits. It's a simple, delicious, and effective addition to your morning routine. Think of walnuts as your nutty allies in the fight against prostate issues. They're not just a tasty snack, they're a powerful tool in your health arsenal. It's about making choices that are both healthy and satisfying. So, add walnuts to your breakfast and you can enjoy the numerous health benefits they have to offer. Don't underestimate the power of these crunchy nuts. They also provide a good source of fiber and protein, keeping you full and satisfied until your next meal. Now, it's easy to get caught up in quick fixes, but often those can make things worse. Avoid sugary cereals and processed foods that can actually worsen inflammation. Instead, make sure you're fueling your body with the right ingredients. It's also important to avoid unhealthy fats. Focus on fresh, whole foods and balanced meals to support your prostate. It's about making smart, sustainable changes that benefit your health. So, what can you do right now? Start by adding 1 or 2 of these foods to your breakfast tomorrow. Try swapping out your sugary cereal for a bowl of oatmeal with berries, or add some avocado to your toast. Make small, sustainable changes, and gradually incorporate more of these foods into your routine. It's about taking action today to feel better tomorrow. So, to recap, incorporating these 9 foods into your breakfast can make a big difference in managing an enlarged prostate. Remember, it's about making smart choices, staying consistent, and prioritizing your health. And as always, please consult with your doctor for personalized advice. If you found this information helpful, hit that like button, share this video with anyone who could benefit, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more health tips. What's your favorite prostate-friendly breakfast? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.